Well, another warm summer day across central Georgia, but the good news is summer's coming to an end, fall is coming, and the weather pattern immediately is going to feel like fall by the end of the weekend. Daytime highs today, mid-80s across the state, 86 Macon, 88 Warner Robins. We got into the 90s down in around Valdosta, North Georgia. We're looking at temperatures in the lower 80s, 83 in Gainesville. But overall, it's pretty much a sunny day today, but we're working on the cloud cover. That's going to increase as we progress throughout the overnight hours. Overnight temperatures also will be pretty warm, but also big rain is coming into the forecast just in time for the weekend. That's the bad news. But the good news is it brings cooler temperatures on the back end of it. Current temperatures as of right now, 85 in Macon, 84 in Warner Robins, mid-80s all across the viewing area. But as I said, we do have cloud covers trying to build into the forecast area right now. And we do have some clouds really beginning to creep into Columbus, and that's the beginning of the cold front. And as the cold front gets closer, we will see mostly cloudy skies to complete overcast conditions when we wake up first thing tomorrow morning. But the cloud cover, the rain really won't work its way in until tomorrow afternoon. So here's the frontal system right now, draped all the way from Texas all the way back to the Great Lakes. And we see heavy rainfall in certain locations. And we see we got some lighter rain showers ahead of the frontal system. That's what we can expect throughout the early morning hours tomorrow, maybe a sprinkle or two. But then we start to see the big rain coming in the evening. Now, your temperature forecast, we said warmer temperatures tomorrow due to the cloud covers. Upper 60s for tomorrow afternoon, lower 60s for locations north and west. Upper 60s for the rest of us, even approaching up on 70 degrees around McRae. Tomorrow afternoon, much cooler. We're going to see temperatures in the lower 80s, even some locations into the upper 70s, such as Forsyth and Monticello. Upper 80s possibly for Cordele and McRae. But as you said, rain, it's going to be the rain. We're not going to be able to enjoy those cool temperatures. It's going to be a pretty wet day tomorrow. So here's a look at it. First look ahead starts you about 3 hours from now. Cloud cover really begin to enter into the state around 8 o'clock. We see overnight thick cloud cover, and then the rain really begins to work its way in sometime around lunchtime and 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. As I said, maybe some lighter sprinkles before then, but the heavy stuff really begins to roll into Upson and Lamar County sometime around 1 o'clock. Then we start to see the heavier stuff push through. We get a break throughout the overnight hours, but Sunday, the rain comes right back into play. And I also expect the rain to come further north than what we're seeing with this model right here on Sunday. And that's going to be the case for Monday as well. Heavy rain down to the south, up north, maybe a light sprinkle, but definitely mostly cloudy skies throughout Monday into Tuesday and Wednesday as well. So this is how we see the rainfalls for the weekend. 1 to 3 inches of rain, but I'll tack on a little bit more for Macon. I'll say 2 to 3 inches of rain for the entire viewing area. As for your 7-day forecast, lower 80s for Saturday and Sunday, lots of rain. Then as we get into Monday morning, we have sunshine, scattered to isolated showers for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And then we start to eliminate rain by Thursday and Friday. But it's the time of the year. The frontal systems start to come in on a weekly basis. And the only thing that's not fall-like with this pattern is once we get the frontal through, we usually get some clear skies, and the rain is just here for about 1 day or two. But it looks like we'll be dealing with it for at least 5 days. Fish Again forecast calls for 2 peaks in excellent range, 3:40 a.m. and 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon.